Hi my dear friends, and this is Taz from Taslima Maya Art. Welcome to my channel of mixed media and fluid art creations. It's great to have you here. If you're new, please do check out my other videos, as most of them are tutorials and step-by-step for beginners. And don't forget to hit those like, share and subscribe buttons, and do leave me a comment. I love hearing from you. So today, my dear friends, I'm going to be unboxing my third ever Temu haul. Yes, I'm afraid you heard that right. I am definitely addicted. And just for fun, I have my two little helpers assisting today. So let's go and see what I got. Right, girls, you want to help me unpack my Temu order?
Yeah.
Yes? Are you excited?
Yes.
Yay! Okay. So let's look at the first item. Okay, I'm just going to show the camera. Who wants to have a look at that? That is a resin mixer. Ooh! It's great, isn't it? What do you think? Okay, I think we've mixed enough. That's for mixing resin. Can I have it back, please? Can I have it back? I know you like that one. Let's see what else is in here. I'll just give it to you, okay? So, oh, there's a bracket.
What's that?
And there's just a charger.
That?
That's just to hang things on the wall. Let's see what else is in here. There is a... Oh, damn. Oh, it's a shelf liner.
Ooh, that's cool.
What?
That's cool.
Okay.
Cool.
Next up is this one. This is a puppy pool, and it's huge.
Puppy.
No, it's for mummy to it's for me to
It's for puppy to swim in.
No, for me to paint in. I'm going to paint inside here. I'm going to put a spinner in here.
Oh, it is a pool.
It is a pool. You can actually go in there sometimes when there's no paint in there. Well, maybe before I do any painting. What's next? Can you have a look and show everyone what those are? Stickers.
It's a fox.
You can have one or two, but they're for my bookmarks and other things that I'm going to make with resin. The resin projects. Look at those beautiful stickers. The colourful blue butterfly ones. What one is that? Oh, butterfly dance. Metallic. Really pretty. I'll put the prices up on the screen. Show everybody. Look at those green. Streamer green butterflies. And there's 20 pieces in a packet. And they're really pretty, aren't they? And they reflect in the light. Metallic. What have you got there? Show us. Ooh, that's a bookmark silicone mold. 3 different sizes.
You make stuff.
Yeah, I've made a couple of bookmarks, my love. Let's see that. Sponges. Ooh, we can do some painting with those, can't you, Sarah?
Yes, we can.
And you're going to do a lot of painting? Sarah, are you going to do a lot of painting?
Yeah.
Yes. Let's see what else you've got. Can you show us one by one? There's a lot of nail art that I can use for different types of projects with resin.
Yes, Mom.
Ooh, what are they? Oh, this is a resin mixer. So, little steering sticks made out of silicone. And then we've got, oh, silicone cups. We always need these. Really useful. And a set of 5. What else have we got here? Sorry. Oh, these are actually really pretty. Let's show the camera these. So I saw these and I really like them. But they're kind of webbed.
I want to touch it.
Yeah, you can show. They're webbed. Honey, have a look. You can unroll it a little bit.
It's like feeling sheep fur. Yeah.
Sheep fur? Let's have a look. Oh yeah, it's really nice, isn't it? You can do that.
I got some.
A lot of things with those. What have you got?
I got hats.
Cups, love, not hats. Little silicone cups for mixing small amounts of resin.
What can I have?
Oh yeah. Let's open that up, Sarah. Can you show us what's inside?
Mimi.
And more plastic cups. Can't have enough of those for mixing.
Bang.
We've done the sponges. Anything else, love? Some tape.
There's nothing. There's nothing. Nothing.
Oh yeah, there's this lot here, love. You're going to show everyone these as well. You can open that for you.
Gold.
Gold tassels for bookmarks.
Oh,
Remember to show the camera.
I need to see that too.
it does.
Oh.
Some nail art brushes. Just wanted to show you the really nice quality, and you can get these really long brushes.
Can you get some? Can you get some?
Or shorter ones.
Paper. Will I kiss them?
And then there's even shorter ones.
I love this one.
And then finally I just want to show you some stickers I got, which is some butterfly nail art stickers. That you wouldn't put with. These are butterfly nail art stickers.
Room. That room. How you move my cheetah.
Oh, and these beautiful little gems. Gold tassels for more bookmarks. And these, which are pearlescent beads, glass beads. Thank you, love. Some sort of see-through type of nail art stickers. They're really cool, aren't they? You can stick them on anything, really. Ocean art. Some more silver nail art stickers. And then finally, these ones are for making resin jewellery. And I'll show you how I will use these. So that's it for now. I think you girls want to be doing some activities. So I'll see you in a bit. Bye bye. And thank you for joining us. I will see you next time. Bye.